Benchies. You know them, you love them. The best torture test ever. However, they can't float, and that's stupid. I am very, very sorry for all the poor audio, all the wind sounds, and 3D printer noises. I don't actually have very good camera equipment. This is my $25 headset that I'm using as a microphone. This is my 3D scanner, that's actually the camera, and everything else is filmed with my phone, so I am very sorry. I know how difficult it is to watch a video with bad filming and bad audio, but I hope that you stay to the end because I worked very hard on this video. Benchies are so cool. You print them without supports, and you can just keep piles of them. I have shelves of Benchies. I have weird Benchies, like this Lattice Benchy that has a bunch of holes in it. This pixelated Benchy that's it's hard to see because it's black. This wonky Benchy, I don't know, I like this one. However, none of these Benchies actually float. I haven't tested them. I assume none of these Benchies actually float because the base Benchy doesn't float. And that sucks. And you know what else the Benchy can't do? Move on its own. That also sucks. Here's how we solve that problem. Get a bunch of electronics, slap it on a big Benchy, boom, remote controlled Benchy. Here are the problems. First of all, I have no idea how electronics work. Don't know how it works, and I'm very, very intellectual in the matter of 3D printing, but not in the matter of coding. So I had to find some less than ideal parts off of Amazon. They're $25, so I mean it's a steal, and they actually worked. I also don't have a soldering iron because again I'm a genius, so it's all held together with electrical tape. But yeah, it works. I mean, if it ain't broke, it will break. If it ain't broke, it will break. So when I made the Benchy, I found a Reddit thread and it was like, oh, well, you could just print a 200% Benchy and it kind of floats. So 200% kind of floats. That means 400% definitely floats. So I printed a 400% Benchy, but I forgot to use 0% infill, so I did 5%. Still worked. But it didn't float exactly. Like, it would float, but it would fall over. So, using intense intellect, aka stealing someone else's idea, I watched Emily the Engineer's video, which this is entirely based off of. That and Tholin's Rc Benchy video. This is based off of both of those. However, Emily the Engineer used PVC pontoons, but I don't know PVC pipes or money, so I printed them. They actually worked really well for being 3D printed. Can I like turn? Hold on. Can we go backwards? Oh, we can go backwards. I'm not gonna go backwards though. Okay, ready? Oh, right, I have to do this. Uh-oh. That isn't good. But hey, it works! You may notice in that last video, a lot of the electronics were showing. I wonder why. I forgot. I just wanted to test it. I was so impatient that I didn't cover the electronics. I did, however, print walls for the cabin and an electronics cover. Then I did have to test it somewhere, and my pool was closed, so what's the next best option? A lake that is brown. It was at my school, so... yeah, I mean, like, they wouldn't put it out of school if kids couldn't put boats in it, right? Right? That boat probably has brain-eating amoeba on it now. Anyways. Okay.
Okay, cool, it's working. Is it just me or is the back going down?
I don't know.
Let's reverse it a bit so it won't fly into the plant. That's forward. And it's caught. Yeah.
Oh, it is. No, Mr. Benchy. Funny thing about that video, the Benchy flipped halfway through, and we spent half the time waiting for it to dry out. But hey, we figured out that it could survive being flipped over, which is fun. Okay, ready? So it dips down a little bit in the front.
Turn it a bit right in case it goes wrong. I'd say turn it right. Alright, and now just try and reach this little open spot so you can reach the sand better. If anything, this is quite easy to reach.
Oh my gosh. Okay. I did have some things to fix, like I had to plug, you can see on a Benchy it has these two, oh, that's a bad example. You can see on a Benchy it has these two holes right here. Those are letting water in. They're supposed to be for an anchor, but I don't want to put an anchor because I don't want it to accidentally fall and then strand my Benchy in the middle of a lake. So I made a cover for that, and finally, everything was finally ready. For the final, I've said final 3 times in this sentence. Everything is ready for the last trial to see if the Benchy was good. And by trial, I mean I just did the same thing I did in the last video. I'm not creative.
Recording.
The wind is definitely doing something. Oh god, the wind is
Oh, the
doing
wind
something.
changed. It was pushing towards us, now it's pushing that way.
Look at him.
I'm filming at 3 times zoom because it looks really nice.
Look at him. He's so cute.
You should put a phone on it. Don't go too far in case it's out of range.
I'm gonna try and turn around.
If anything, try and turn it a bit to the right. So in case it goes out of range, you could just walk over there.
He's so cute.
You can tell when he's moving or not because of water in front of him. Because look, right there he isn't moving. I hear one of the turbine things. What did you do?
Come back.
Okay, he's working, Yeah. Turn right, turn right, turn right. It's cutting in and out. Maybe it was slightly damaged by the water yesterday. Not too far, too fast back because it sinks down when you go back. Just try and push it close enough so you can maybe grab it with a long stick if we find it. Like even to the bushes, it's fine if we can just reach it. There we go.
This way, he doesn't know what it is. Oh.
Try to stay near the coast. You'll learn how to film better. I actually just like lost it.
No way. I did it. Full U-turn.
I'm trying to push you in the water now.
Oh, wait. Go back, my boy. I have to. The controls are working fully. They all run at the same time. It's okay.
I think your next modification for this boat, after you fix the little propeller motor thing, is to make like the little antenna longer. So it's a bit better with distance. Getting caught again. Can you use both of them in reverse?
No, I can't.
Okay.
It's working. I'm so
I was gonna say if you could use both of them in reverse, you could just reverse it into here.
Oh, we got. Oh,
That was a weird sound.
look at him. This is my beautiful boy. Look at him do the full turn.
You've been doing this for 2 minutes. That's long. Next thing you should do is like get a GoPro or something that's waterproof and put it on there.
I would, but I don't want it to, weigh it down.
Yeah. Are you just gonna drive in circles?
Well, I don't know. What else is there to do?
I don't know. Like check stuff out. And hopefully don't get it stuck on anything or have it break. Also, what are you gonna do with these recordings?
I'll make a video.
For what?
UHG.
Oh.
My parents gave me permission to show my face in the videos for some
Do
reason.
you think you should maybe plug the 2 holes in the front?
They are.
Potentially make the 2 big ones.
Yep. Thank you, Mr. Benchy.
That was a perfect.
I can only run one motor at a time.
They have that yesterday or no?
No.
Maybe because it's cheap, who knows?
And it's only in the water, so. Yeah,
How far are you going? There's other types of rice. Is this the maximum zoom? No, you got up to 9. Alright. Mine only has 1 times less zoom.
Oh, I guess
I think I might have to take a tighter turn.
I think it's good. Look at that. Look at him. I'm so proud of this.
Fire truck.
I'm so happy. Obviously, none of my projects are perfect, and I probably messed up on a million things. If you want to leave a comment saying what I didn't do, absolutely, I would love feedback. And if you want yourself to make a better boat than I did, I would love that. Please, if you make one, send it to me on Instagram, tag me. I would love to see it. Now, if you like the video and you want to support me somehow, I don't have anything that makes you pay money. However, you can go and download my models on printables. I have a bunch of them. They're from all my videos. This Rc Benchy is there. So if you want to build a cheap Rc Benchy for only about $25, thank you all so much for watching. See you in the next one.